Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Microsoft Visual Studio tutorials, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by launching Microsoft Visual Studio on your computer. Ensure that you have the latest version installed for compatibility. Select Create a new project from the initial screen. In the project template window, search for the type of application you wish to develop. Choose the appropriate template, such as console app, web app, or class library. Specify a name and location for your project, then click Create. Once your project is set up, the main development environment, familiarize yourself with the Solution Explorer, which displays your project files. In the main coding area, you can start writing your code. After completing your code, save your work by clicking on the Save icon or using Ctrl+S. Next, manage your dependency. Access it by right-clicking on your project in Solution Explorer and selecting Manage NuGet Packages. Search for any required package. Now, proceed to build your application by navigating. If errors are present, review the error messages and make the necessary corrections in your code. Once the build is successful, run your application by clicking the green Start button or pressing F5. Observe the output in the corresponding console or web browser, depending on your project type. If you want to debug your application, insert breakpoints by clicking on the left margin next to the line numbers. Rerun your application to engage the debugger and analyze variable values and execution flow. To deploy your application, determine the target environment, such as a local machine, server, or cloud. For local deployment, simply navigate to the project folder and find the executable file. For web applications, publish your project through the Build menu by selecting Publish. Follow the prompts to select your target server or hosting platform. Once the publishing process is complete, your application will be live and accessible. Remember to monitor its performance and functionality post-deployment. By following these steps, you can effectively deploy your Microsoft Visual Studio project with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.